That is a giant Minion. We're here in Universal Plaza at Universal Studios Hollywood, where they are debuting a new Minion today named Otto for the new movie Minions Rise of Gru. Here at Universal Plaza, there's going to be a couple meet and greets, this huge balloon activation. And I just renewed my pass this morning. It expired last week, so that's the longest I've ever gone without a Universal Studios pass. 1 week. Let's go check it out. This is Otto, his first day here at Universal Studios Hollywood. These things are kind of trippy. They kind of make you dizzy, don't they? Look at that. What if I go like this? Does that make you trippy? No, it doesn't look like the character's going to be out for a little bit. The queue lines aren't even set up. So let's go head over to Super Silly Funland and make this morning all about the Minions. So of course here in Super Silly Funland they have Despicable Me Minion Mayhem the ride. They have a photo up here, Home for Girls, who's usually Gru or some of the Minions. This Illumination building is the ride. And then Super Silly Funland, we've got the Silly Swirly inside, plus this whole water park feature. If you want to eat just like a Minion, the Minion Cafe has authentic Minion cuisine. Yes, it is authentic. I asked Kevin and he said it is about as authentic as you can get. Although I thought Minions ate bananas, they have chicken, meatball Parmesan grilled cheese, pulled pork. Those loaded nachos are pretty good, and I had that chicken bacon ranch mac and cheese 2 weekends ago. Delicious. It looks like Dr. Nefario has hired some new lab assistants over there to turn you into Minions. Lovely day, lovely day. I have to sing over this so YouTube doesn't flag it. Lovely day. So down here, this is the queue for Secret Life of Pets, but if you ring these doorbells, make sure you sanitize your hands after.
Hello, Universal!
Lovely day, lovely day. Okay, ring each doorbell. Oh, there it goes. If you know what he said, please translate for me. We're going to go into the queue here at Minion Mayhem.
Fail to buy a unicorn and give her a toilet brush. If you succeed, it's like you're a minion already.
It's beautiful.
There are also a few games here in Super Silly Funland, and the gift shop when you exit the ride. These popcorn buckets are so cool. This has got to be the coolest popcorn bucket ever. Look at this. This is $38.99. Disney Eat Your Heart Out. That is the coolest popcorn bucket ever. Theme park winner for best trash cans and drinking fountains. Well, there is also a little play structure for kids back here. In addition to the water play, there is a little playground, so if you've got little ones. And comment below if you know who these people's names are. It's a baby minion back there. So, in case you were wondering, with the California drought going on, all of Universal is on recycled water. So, all the water that they use for the landscaping is recycled, so don't worry about that. And it said, do not drink the water in here because it is reclaimed. It is safe to play in, obviously, but I don't think you want to drink it. It's supposed to be over 100 today, I think, here in the valley, so this actually feels really nice. Do you dare me to run through this? Let me go through. Let's see. For the first time ever, I just ran through that. It's actually kind of fun. And it's so hot, I think I'll actually drive pretty quickly. So, there we go. One of the nice team members here said I should take the video this way with the bucket and all the water in the background. Took a picture of me, so thank you so much. So, I just ran through this. It's kind of like a car wash. And it's so hot today, I think I'm already actually drying, except my key got wet. So if my key got wet and I can't go home, then we have a problem. But the phone is waterproof, everything else is good. So let's see, we'll wait for that water bucket to fill here. There it goes. There it goes. So cool. That's actually the first time in all these years that I've ever done that. I guess since there's nobody here. I'm officially soaked, but it is so hot that I feel like my shirt is drying already. But my shoes did get wet, but I may have to run home and swap those out. Otto.
Welcome, Otto.
Welcome.
Welcome to Universal Studios Hollywood, Otto.
So this is Otto, his first day here at Universal Studios Hollywood. Welcome, Otto, to Universal. He's so excited, his eyes are going back and forth. Look at So were mine looking at that little backdrop back there. I was like, whoa, am I getting dizzy? So let's go get a picture with him. Very first day out here at Universal Studios Hollywood for Minions Rise of Gru in theaters this Friday, July 1st.